If you've got a toddler, you already know the problem. They outgrow bikes fast. 1 year it's a push bike, the next they want pedals, then balance mode, and suddenly you've got 3 bikes clogging up the hallway and a lighter wallet. This is the JMMD 6-in-1 Convertible Toddler Bike, 1 bike every stage, and in this video I'm going to break down whether it actually delivers on that promise or whether it's just a marketing speak. Once it was delivered, I got to unpacking it pretty quickly. The packaging was pretty good, everything was bagged up nicely. This bike is designed for kids aged 18 months all the way up to 5 years, which is genuinely quite impressive if you think about how much a toddler changes in that time. The 6-in-1 bike lives up to its name pretty well. These 6 modes cover pretty much every stage of early riding. A push bike where you control the direction, a training balance mode, a full pedal bike, a bike with training wheels, a standard riding mode with a kickstand, and folded mode for storage and transport. The idea is that instead of buying a new bike every time your child hits a new milestone, you just reconfigure this one. It's one purchase that's supposed to carry them through their entire early riding journey. The first thing parents are going to look at is safety. The JMMD have clearly put their thought into this. The frame is aluminium alloy, which keeps it lightweight without sacrificing rigidity. The wheels are about 12 inches all-terrain rubber. They're puncture proof, so no worrying about a flat tyre on the school run. And they're designed to handle grass, paths and light gravel rather than just smooth floors. The drivetrain is gear driven and chain free. That's worth highlighting. No exposed chain means no little fingers getting caught, and no greasy chain marks on school clothes. As you can see in the video, the bike is very easy to put together. You attach the handlebar, seat, push rod and pedals, that's it. No tools required. Most parents report having it ready in under 15 minutes, which is exactly what you want when there's a toddler watching impatiently. I find the fold feature pretty clever. One press of the red button underneath the frame and the whole bike collapses. It's compact enough to go in a car boot, which makes it practical for days out to the park, holidays or visiting family. When you're in balance bike mode, the pedals aren't being used and they store on the bike frame so you don't lose them. Everything really does just clip together so easy. I found the hardest bit was getting it out of the plastic wrapping. I picked this up on Amazon for $129.99, and from the moment I'm putting it together I thought this does actually seem pretty good. I'm quite happy with it initially, and I couldn't wait to take out the little one on the bike, and they looked quite excited as I was putting it together as well. When the bike arrives, you can see it comes as folded. Using this red button at the bottom, you can untwist it, and when you're putting it away in the car or cupboard or take it anywhere, press the red button and it'll fold back like it was. The seat just slots in there on the top. There's 2 bars for the seat, so you can change it, the smaller one and a bigger one. So as the child grows, you can swap it out with the bigger bar, just so you get that little bit more height. The stabilizers, they slide on the back of the bike nice and easy. Underneath then they also have little red clips so that you can clip it off and slide it off and store them away when you don't need them. The bike also does come with a kickstand. I've not attached that to the bike as of yet. Looking at it, it looks like it goes with the stabilizers attached onto the bike, so I've not needed them at present. And the pedals then, they just push in on the sides where you expect them to go, and it all works pretty well. The standout feature of this bike, which I really like and one of the main reasons why I got it, is the push handle at the back of the bike. The push handle rotates the steering wheel at 135 degrees, giving you full control over the direction and speed of the bike without having to crouch or walk awkwardly. The push handle is height adjustable, but if you're 6 foot or more, you might have to bend over a little bit to reach the handle. Overall, I think this is a great little bike for your child. It is very versatile and can be changed as your child grows and develops with this cycling ability. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, please subscribe, and I'll put an affiliate link for the bike in the description below. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.